Hey, what's up guys? It's Silver Seeker, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about our monthly giveaway at my website, coolstacks.com, where you can win very, very awesome and free silver, including this month's giveaway, the 2020 Australian 1-ounce silver Kangaroo. Now let's get into it. Okay guys, here we are at my website, coolstacks.com. That's COOLSTAX.com. There will be a link in the description below. As you can see today, the current featured article right here is the February 2020 Coolstacks giveaway, and it is showing off that Australian 1-ounce Kangaroo. You can click that and read the article and then go to the giveaway, or you can just click down here or up here under giveaways. There's also a link. So there's all sorts of different ways to find the giveaway. We're going to go ahead and click the February 2020 Coolstacks giveaway in the right-hand corner. Now, as you can see, it's showing the Kangaroo. It says this month's drawing will be for one winner at random to win this 1-ounce silver 2020 Kangaroo. It talks about the entries into the contest starting and ending, and it also says we will select one winner who will be announced in a YouTube video as well as here on the site. All you have to do to enter, guys, is enter your email and display name, but there's also a couple of other things I want you to know, so stick with me. So we'll go ahead and enter my email address. We'll also enter my display name. I already have this pre-typed because I've done this before. And then you click here to confirm that you are not a robot. And then, of course, you click this check mark to confirm that you are agreeing to the rules down below. And if you want to see the rules, just click the Show Rules button. All right, so after that, we just click Enter, guys, and that gets us an entry into the giveaway. Now that you are entered into the giveaway, there are ways to get more than one entry. So as you see, you can share this on Facebook, on Pinterest, or on Twitter. You also have a custom link right here. Now, you can actually copy that custom link by just clicking that button. It will copy it into your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you want. You can send it out as an email. You can share it on Discord or whatever. But the cool part is whenever anyone uses your link to enter the giveaway, you will also get an additional entry. Then down below, you can also get additional entries by, for example, visiting us on Instagram. You can check out our Discord channel for a couple of other entries. You can visit our YouTube page for a couple of other entries. And of course, you can tweet about the giveaway for an extra entry as well. So you have all these different ways to enter the giveaway. You could get a lot of extra entries just by doing these. But if you share this link with 20 of your friends or 30 of your friends, if you share it on Facebook and get a bunch of people to sign up, every person that signs up, not only do they get an entry, but you get an entry for them signing up as well. So you could potentially have a lot of entries to make it a little bit easier to win this. So there you go, guys. That is how to enter the giveaway. I hope to see you over on my Instagram. I hope to see you in our Discord server as well. Make sure you follow me on Twitter also. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it showed you how to get into our giveaways. I mean, again, we will be doing this every month at coolstacks.com. So I hope to see you over there. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for watching the video. I do hope that you enjoyed it. Above me, you can click and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Up here, you can check out some of my other videos. And then over here, guys, there's a huge shout out to all of my silver, gold, and platinum channel members. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.